Hello guys, today I've got SENNHEISER Momentum 5 and I'm going to show you the fix of why won't your headphones charge. So actually the first thing that you will need to look at is the charging port. So take a look at your charging port, which is right here. You can use a flashlight to take a look at this inside. If you see any debris, any dust or something like that, you need to just clean your charging port. How to clean your charging port? Of course, you need to use some non-metallic tool like brush. I will recommend actually medium brush, not some hard one and not so soft one. Medium brush with isopropyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol because they don't conduct electricity, and then clean the charging port. Remember not to use the metal things. So, after cleaning your charging port, if you saw any debris, you will be able to charge your headphones back again probably. If you still can't charge them properly, or you still just can't charge them, you need to go even further. Try replacing cables and try replacing power bricks and the power sources. Like if you were charging your headphones from your laptop, try using a normal power outlet. When you combine all these three things, you should be able to achieve this combination, which will work for you. Like it's probably another power brick, some wall outlet, and some cable that is high quality one. And if it doesn't work, you need to contact device support because you can't do anything. I mean, you can replace the battery, but I don't get any tools and they don't allow me to unscrew all the things and get inside them, so I won't show you this unfortunately. That's it.